start really.
Okay. Hi everyone. Today we will doing the presentation about network design problem-based task session short SEM 2021 PBT proposal. Okay. My name is Previn, son of Kebalan. Metric number is 10 DDT 19F 1164 from DDT 5E.
My name is Nishanti Munusami. Number matrix 10 DDT 19F1001.
My name is Muhammad Hazman bin Bazli. Nombor matrik 10 DDT 19F1167.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Najib Zahan bin Osman. Nombor matrik 10 DDT 19F1157.
Okay, we continue with the packet tracer. Okay, this is our topology for problem-based task. Okay, there's one router which is named R1 JTMK. It's the major admin router. Okay, it is divided into 4 areas, which is meeting area, workspace area, lab area, and also lean-back area. Where the lean-back area requirements are, it should be implemented with wireless router, which can connect it to the devices such as laptop and PC. In the lab area, we will connect through the cables from the switch S3 JTMK. In the meeting area also, the requirement needs wireless setup for the meeting area. So we did the topology with 10 end devices. Okay, for the workspace area, there's one wireless router which the colleagues can use smartphone or works laptop. Okay, next, IP addressing table. Okay, network area, meeting area requires 10 hosts, like I said just now. Okay, network ID starts with 192.168.15.96. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. Okay, workspace area requires 10 hosts, which is network ID start with 192.168.15.0, 255.255.255.224. Okay, lab area requires 10 hosts. Network ID is 192.168.15.32. 255 subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. Okay, lean back area requires 1 computer and 3 laptops. One network ID is 192.168.15.80, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.252. We were required for 4 different subnet masks, but the calculation, based on the calculation, we got just 2 subnet masks with the network ID in the range of 0 until 254 for the network ID. Okay, this is our network IP address table. Okay, so the table explains that host needed for the workspace area is 10, but the host available is 30. Unused host will be 20. So network address start with 192.168.15.0. So we will be using 192.168.15.1. Okay, we can see the usable range from 15.1 until 15.30, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. Okay, for the lab area, the host needed, as I said just now, is 10. Host available is 30, and unused host is 20. So the network address starts from 192.168.15.33 until .62. So subnet mask for the lab area is also 255.255.224. Okay. For the meeting area, the host needed are 10. So host available is 14. Unused host is 4. So the network start with 192.168.15.65 until 78. Okay. Lean back area need 4 hosts. Okay. Host available is 6. Unused host is 2. And the network start with 192.168.15.81 until 86. Okay. Next, this is our addressing table for the packet tracer topology. It's small a bit. Okay. Next, as we seen in the topology before, this is meeting area with 1 printer, 1 wireless router, 1 switch, and 8 PC. Okay. At the lab area, we got 10 PCs with 1 switch, which is connected straight to the R1 JTMK router. Okay. For the workspace area, there's 1 switch, 6 PC, 1 wireless router, 1 printer, 1 laptop, and also 1 smartphone. Okay. For the lean back area, as per the requirement, we configured that there's one wireless router, 3 laptops, and 1 PC. Okay, that's for the first part. Now it's for time for the proposal.
Okay, next it's proposal. Okay, this one is executive summary. So first, JTMK Center Berhad is a company located in Kuala Lumpur with 50 staff. Okay, we need to upgrade the area of its network system. The current network system is not applicable for new hire staff. So we need to also upgrade their executive network system that can be used by more staff than the current one. They plan to add more end device and new hardware device like HTTP server, printer, and laptop like that. Okay, furthermore, the company decided to change the new topology for lab area and needed wired network for all lab area. Next, the company required a wireless router at meeting area for staff to access internet at one time only. The company want add a HTTP server at workspace and a printer for that area. They require all the PC in workspace area must connect with the server. Then they require a printer at meeting area for the staff. And then last one, JTMK Cerebral company want their staff can access one smartphone and laptop also to the wireless network at workspace area. Okay, this one is network requirement to upgrade network. So got 3 requirement to upgrade network. First is the network medium. This is one for the network hardware that physically connect one computer to another. Second one is the network interface, the hardware that attach a computer to the network medium. Number third, service. A service defines those things a computer share with the rest of the network. Okay, this one is logical physical design. First is lab area. Okay, got one switch and then 10 PC. This one is meeting area. One wireless router, one network printer, one switch, and then 5 PC. This one is workspace area. One switch, one server, one printer, one smartphone, and then laptop, wireless router, and then 6 PC. The last one is lean back area, one wireless router, 3 laptop, and also 1 PC.
Okay, next, explain type of installation method that we'll use to set up the network. Okay, next. Okay, firstly, wireless networking. This type of network requires the purchase of wireless router and the installation wireless card in all the computers, laptops, and computer equipment that will be attached to the network. The wireless router distributes the signal, which is accessed by wireless card. Through this home network installation option, user can access the internet and share file without restriction of wire and cable. This network setup is very appropriate with this company because it will save costs, will make it easier for user or staff in the company to use the internet. Okay, next, LAN, or we call it local area network. The creation of a local area network in a home network installation is becoming increasingly common as more people set up home business that require the use of complex computer technology and processing power. In a local area network, the primary computer is used as a server. This computer is used to store large amounts of data or to run complex, resource-intense software programs or host websites and related application. On this network setup is very appropriate in the JTMK Senam. It is because the company did not use very large area to set up the network. Okay, next. Okay, prepare and implementation plan for maintenance and downtime network. Okay, first, device router. Task network department staff check the router maintenance every day after office hour and send the notice to working staff. The description is cable connection are secure and backup file. Okay, number 2, the device is PC. The task is to help staff to check their procedure of PCs to prepare for troubleshooting during work hours. and the description is to store data and check the condition of antivirus. Okay, number 3 is server. The device is server. The task is staff can check for maintenance at server before office hour, and after finish notice will send to the staffs. And the description is check application updates, check for hardware error, and authenticate backup are working or not. Okay, number 4 is the device is printer. The task is troubleshoot when problem happen, and the description is check or identify the hardware problem. And number 5 is the the task is every week staff can check the router maintenance after office hour, then notice will send to the staff at JTMK Sdn Bhd company. And the description is cable connection are secure and increase bandwidth to increase the available bandwidth of the network. Next. Okay, this estimate budget for software is Azman.
Okay, net estimate budget for software. Okay, first, we use software Cisco Packet Tracer and the cost free download. The Packet Tracer is a cross-platform visual simulation to design by Cisco system that allow user to create network topology. So the latest Cisco ni is 8.01 we use. Okay, next. Okay, now to estimate budget for hardware services. Okay, pertama kita guna device routers iaitu 2811. Dia punya model Cisco 2811, Cisco 2811 router, 2800 siri ISR, and dia punya harga USD 139 and dalam ringgit Malaysia RM582.41. Okay, the total sama sebab kita guna satu router iaitu RM582.41. Okay, second, we use device switch 2960 and the model WFC2960 24 TTL. Dan dia punya harga dalam dolar 1525 and dalam ringgit Malaysia RM6,389.75. Okay, sekarang kita guna 3 switch. So kita total and now kita dapat harga RM19,169.25. Okay, yang ketiga, we use device wireless WRT300N and the model Cisco Links WRT300N wireless and broadband router, and dia punya harga dalam dolar 27.71 and dia punya harga dalam Malaysia RM116.13 and kita guna 3 wireless dan kita total dapat harga RM348.35. Okay, next. Okay, nombor 4 kita guna device PC, and PC yang kita gunakan ialah Acer Aspire C241.650 and dia punya harga dia RM2,729. So kita guna 25 PC dan kita totalkan semua jadi RM69,750. So ini total PC iaitu 25 PC kita guna. Okay, next kita guna device server and kita punya model Lenovo ThinkSystem SR250 Red Server and dia punya harga RM6,719 dan kita punya server dia kita guna satu sahaja, so dia punya total pun masih sama iaitu RM6,719. Okay, next kita guna device printer. Kita punya model Epson L3110 multifunction ink pen printer. So dia punya harga printer RM589 dan kita guna dekat sini kita guna 2 printer. Jadi kita totalkan dia akan dapat RM1178.000. Okay, the last one kita guna laptop. So dia punya model Acer Chromebook CP3112H and dia punya harga RM1,499 dan dekat laptop ni kita guna 4 laptop. Jadi kita totalkan dia dapat RM5,996. Okay, next. Okay, yang ke-8 kabel copper straight through Dia punya model 35, 10.7 meter, Cat-C, snakeless, unshield, UTP, PVC, CM, Ethernet network, patch cable, blue. Okay, dia punya harga kat sini RM42. So, dia punya total RM966. And nombor 9, smartphone. Kita punya model ialah Xiaomi Redmi Note 10S. Dia punya harga RM899. Jadi kita guna satu smartphone sahaja. Jadi total dia masih sama iaitu RM899. And nombor 10, copper cross cable. Dia punya model Signature Declink WG23 Cat-C bare copper network cable. Okey, dia punya harga dia RM149 dan kita guna satu copper cross cable dan dia punya total RM149. Okey, next Previn.
Okay, estimate timelines using Gantt chart for requirement. Okay, so planning untuk week 1. Lecturer give assignments, designing an appropriate topology, ensure all devices can ping according to the requirements of the question. Okay. For the second week, we start with the documentation processes, which is prepare the document according to the requirement of the question, verify all the tests, and then make sure staff can use their own laptop and smartphone to access the wireless network, and explanation of type of installation method, and also prepared an implementation plan for maintenance and downtime network. And on the week 2 also, we estimate the software and hardware's price. Okay. Then, forgot. We also did preparation of the document to complete the documentation in week 3 also. Then some changes on hardware and software prices on week 3 also. Okay. Next, testing and presentation. Okay, testing and presentation as we are doing now. It's almost week 3. So we complete all the requirements of the question, submitted the soft copy in CDOS, and the final presentation is currently running now. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.